lovelies, Akwaba. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, I'm moving out of the place where I am right now. I'm relocating to a different neighborhood here in the village where I work. Because this area that I am right now is no longer serving the purpose that I want. It's a whole lot of noise and stuff like that. So I've decided to move out. And for some time I've been doing house hunting. And unlike the city, the village house hunting is very stressful. So I decided to take the camera, so I didn't film it. But I finally settled on one, and it's not something that you get in the city as compared to stuff in the city. So it's something that, like, okay, I can work with this situation here. So I finally settled on one, and last week I went there to see how the works on it. They are doing maintenance and other stuff over there, how the progress of the work is going. So I filmed it for you guys to see how some buildings in some villages in some part of Kumasi, Ghana is like. So I'm going to roll the clip up for you guys to see how everything is. So let's see how it is. You're giving me wind and rain. So the first place you will come to is kind of a kitchen area, and they have this wood shelf over here. This is what you can get in the village, and then storage shelf, something like that, which I'm going to paint it differently. So this is kind of the kitchen area. Some kind of butterfly. So this is a kind of storage place that we are going to cover this place to make it more appropriate. And then you get the counter here. It's kind of the countertop where you put your stuff whilst cooking. So if you want to just cut something, this is the countertop that you're going to use. This what it is now. So we are going to just cover this place to make the storage more, and then paint everything, and then finish with it. It's not done yet. Everything is not done. It's still under construction. So we need to do some maintenance before I move in. So this is kitchen. So this whole place is the kitchen. When you come into the bedroom, so this is the bedroom. So come, you see this here. I think the one who was using this place had a flat screen television over here. So this is how it looks like. Don't leave me here and dry. Oh. And then they use wallpaper over here. And it's the bedroom situation going on here. This is the bedroom, but as it stands now, I'm going to use this side for my office area, this side for my office area, and then I'll use this side for my living area. Just right after the entrance. Right after the entrance is what I'm going to use for my living area. And then I use this side for my workspace, like if I'm editing YouTube videos or if I'm reading, I'm doing some reading. They're like something like an office area where I can do my readings. You guys know I'm a student, so I have to read. I also like reading all the time. So I'll be doing that over there, and I'll be editing and other stuff there. And then I'll use this place. I'm thinking of using this place for the closet area. That's right after the office area. I'm going to use this side for the closet because the bathroom is just right after. So that's the bathroom over there. So I'll use this area for closets. I'll have my wardrobe and other stuff there. And then I think I would like to have my bed here. This area. I don't know, I might change my mind, but for now this is what I'm thinking of doing, having the bed over here. And then the closet over here. Then office area over here. And then living area over here. Because guys, it's just a 1-bedroom apartment. No hall, just 1 bedroom, the kitchen, and then the bathroom. So the shower, something like that. So I'm thinking of using this place for the living area. So let's go to the bathroom. So right after, this is the bathroom. So this is how the place is. It's actually a shower because there's no bath here, so I can't call it bathroom. It's the shower. So this is a wallpaper, and this is the towels.
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh.
Well, I washed the shower. That's why you took the shower. I think someone slept here. This night here. That's why you have that thing over there. This thing over there. So I think someone slept here. It may be one of the workers. So that's the bath. So this is the bath. Very spacious for one person. Bath, we move to the toilet, where the toilet is. So that is it. There is toilet over there. I think they're going to bring the cover and everything. So this is the toilet area. They're still doing works on it. I think they are still doing works here. So that is going to be it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So if you look at it from this angle, get from the bedroom, then you come to the shower, and then the toilet. So that is how the whole situation is, the whole place is now, right now. I'll wait for them to finish whatever maintenance they need to do, and then
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just twist
So yeah guys, this is what I have to work with for now. I'm going to do a lot of things when I move it to make it the place feel like how I want it to feel like. So yeah guys, that's it for my quick village 1 bedroom apartment tour with no living room actually. So yeah, I'm going to end it the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, anything you need to do, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog or any other video. Bye.